So I think they've changed a discussion setting in D2L. I can't actually find information about it anywhere, but here's the situation. So we have in our content stuff, we have these quick links to discussion topics, and it goes directly to the topic, like where the students make posts. So if we look here, the quick link would be to directly here. So essentially what we've done is we've done discussions and then we've gone into this discussion forum. And then in there, we have some sort of topic in there. So we've linked to that directly. And so that's what this is. So what happens now is when you click on it, it's going to go to the part where they put the threads, but you see it has no instructions here. Which is problematic because if students need to like post there, they don't know what to do because we don't put it, they're not going directly through discussions. So if they went directly through discussions, then it would have, like we just looked at part 2. So then it would have the instructions here. But when they get into the actual topic posting place, it doesn't have those instructions anymore. Which is an issue because we don't want them to have to go through discussions. The whole deal is that we want everything to be in content, and then they just click in the stuff in content and it takes them where they need to go. They don't actually have to go to the discussion, and we don't want to post in the content the discussion itself because the different parts of the discussion are due on different days, and so it's not useful to post the discussion itself because then they get confused about what they're supposed to do when. So what you need to do in order to fix this is in your discussions list. I guess we can go to the main one here. So I'm just in the discussions, under collaboration discussions. You can go to settings up here with the cog, and what it is this box under grid view settings, topic descriptions display in the message list. So essentially once you turn that on, if we go back to this quick link here and refresh it, when we click on it now, it's going to show us the instructions, and then the students will scroll down and then they can see the instructions and then they can do their post. I guess this is where the post would show up. Right now there's none there, but they start a new thread. But they'd be able to see these instructions here now so they know what they're doing for this post. I guess the reason they did this, because it tells you when you're in the settings, some information about, what's going on here. Let's see, in the message list. So it says, basically it's trying to save them room when they're looking at the list of messages, which, I get, but again, they're not gonna be able to see the instructions. So that's a problem. So that's what I think you need to change. I think we need to now check this topic descriptions. Now, the nice thing though, is that when you click it in the main discussion for the settings, it changes it for all the discussions. So you don't have to go through each individual quick link in the content and change it. It'll change it for everything there.